Hello, I'm out here today with the HoverAir X1 ProMax 8K drone. I'm fooling around with a beacon here, but what I'm going to mainly do in this video is I'm going to test out the 8K video quality by flying along the garden in the back of the yard there. And I am Ron Brown's YouTube channel, and I review a lot, test and review a lot of drones here. So I know a lot of people have been thick 8K videos, not worth it, and yada yada yada. But we're gonna put on 8K, 30 frames per second, kind of auto settings, and we're gonna fly this backyard. So you be the judge if you think the 8K looks any better than 4K footage be. So here we go.